Macaron is a well-known French dessert. It is loved by people, especially girls, because of its colorful colors and fresh and delicate taste. Today, let's see how he makes macaron shells. First, the baker mixes sugar and water, heats the mixture to 105 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, the baker mixes protein and protein powder, then stirs the protein for 8 to 10 minutes, and then adds boiling water and sugar mixture to mix until the temperature drops to 40 degrees Celsius. The next step is seasoning and coloring. When making bread, they weigh a certain amount of almond powder and sugar very accurately. They transfer these ingredients to the blender and stir them thoroughly. The baker adds red food pigment to the mixture and continues to stir them for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is completely mixed. Then, when making bread, they mix the adjusted pigment with protein to make it colored and flavored for another 5 minutes. The ingredients of macaron shell are ready. When making bread, pour these raw materials into the storage container and squeeze them onto the baking pan through the nozzle at the other end of the memory. Each nozzle squeezes out exactly 5 g of red raw materials at a time. Then measure the bread with a ruler because they will expand during baking. Measurement can ensure that each disc can be baked into a shell of uniform size, and then blow the water on its surface with a fan. Then bake it in a 120-degree oven for 18 minutes. At the same time, the baker begins to prepare the filling. Mix the chocolate and hot milk in the mixer. When the chocolate melts, mix all the ingredients completely. Then freeze the filling for 12 hours when bread is made. When the filling is taken out of the icebox, it has completely hardened, but it also has plasticity. Now the bread can begin to assemble macaron. They squeeze 5 g of stuffing out of each shell, and then put another layer of shell on it. Gently squeeze it to spread the stuffing outward. After assembly, macaron is put into the groove of the plastic box, and the plastic box is sealed in the bag of plastic film by the machine to ensure its dry storage. Finally, pack a better looking zero box. This is reasonable. Each color represents a taste. Let's see what kind of taste you like.